How to add audio file in Elementor. So the first method is by simply adding the video option here, and as you can see here you can simply choose YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, VideoPress or self-hosted. So here you can simply upload your video by simply your audio file by simply clicking here on choose video, and basically there is another way. So you can simply go back to widgets and search for SoundCloud, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter your the SoundCloud audio file URL link, and basically that's it. So you're gonna have to go to SoundCloud, and after you upload the audio file to SoundCloud, you're gonna have to copy the link and simply paste it here, and then simply choose here now where it says visual player, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.